episode we're going to take a closer look at the pond pump I have chosen for this project. We are also going to check out the other parts I will use for the construction. This is the pond pump I have chosen. It's a Technopro 50,000S. That's inlet is 3" and the outlet 3" as well. I will not use this stainless steel strainer because I will connect the pipe to this inlet, and I will use a pipe as big as possible. Therefore I have chosen the 110mm PVC pipe. The outlet will I connect to a 63mm PEM pipe, and with a ball valve and a rubber elbow. From the rubber elbow, the 63mm PEM pipe will go up to the filtration system. To give me the opportunity to disconnect the pump during the winter, I will use this one to connect on the threads here, and then on that one I will connect with this one, and then the 110mm PVC pipe from there to a bottom drain. And this gives me the opportunity to disconnect here like that, and also disconnect this one at the ball valve. And I will store this one inside a shed where the temperature always is above 0. As I have tried to show here, the pond pump will be dry mounted outside the pond in a pump well. The recommendation for this pump is to connect a hose or a pipe which is bigger than 3" to the inlet, and therefore I have chosen the 110mm pipe, which is about 4". This pump is able to handle particles up to 8mm. Here we got the pond and a bottom drain, which will lead the water through the 110mm pipe up to a pre-filtration bucket, and from that pre-filtration bucket the water will run into the pond pump. From the pond pump the water will push up to the filtration system, an elevation of about 3 meters. This is the stainless strainer I will use in this pre-filtration bucket before the pond pump. This pump has a adjustable flow rate with this this electronic control box, and the flow is adjustable between 20,000 and 55,000 liters an hour, and that's equal to about 5,280 US gallons up to 14,500. Energy consumption adjusts between 185 watts and up to 600 watts. With my elevation of 3 meters, this pump will manage to about 27,000 liters an hour, and of course it also depends on the size of the pipes. Therefore I've chosen the PEM pipe 63 millimeter, which I think will handle the water I expect of getting out. And 27,000 liters an hour at an elevation of 3 meters is about 7,100 US gallon. With this bucket I will build a DIY skimmer. I will cut and like a hole here about 20 centimeters by 10, I think, to let the water from the pond in. I will glue the pond liner onto the bucket. It's a rubber liner, 1 millimeter thick, I will use in the pond. Inside this bucket I will build like a shelf, and in this shelf I will connect this stainless steel strainer to filtrate the water from the pond. And in the bottom of the bucket I will cut a hole and mount this one, which connects to a 110 millimeter pipe, like this, some way. From this the pipe will run over to the pond pump. Here I have tried to illustrate the filtration system I am going to build. It's a 3-barrel filtration system. In the first barrel the plan is to let the water in from the 63 millimeter PEM pipe and try to get like a vortex filter, and when the water fill up will run over in a 110 millimeter pipe and over to next barrel, and in this barrel number 2, I will fill with pond brushes like those. And then from barrel number 2 over to number 3, and then in number 3 I will build filtration like my aquarium pumps. There I will use these filter media in 3 layers, And then to polish the water even more, we'll use these fleece blankets. In the next video I will start building the filtration system in the barrels and the skimmer as well.